Hi, I'm Jackie from Mala Yoga and I teach functional yoga to women over 35. This is my beautiful staffy Olive, who'll also be joining us for practice at times. Whether you're just at the beginning, in the midst of perimenopause or beyond, this channel is dedicated to providing you with practices to help you regulate your nervous system, rebuild your strength and feel grounded in your body. Every week I'll be releasing 3 free videos. One yoga asana video on Mondays, a pranayama video on Wednesdays, and a guided meditation on Fridays, all designed to help you for where you are right now. This isn't complicated. This isn't about touching your toes. It's about returning home to who you truly are. Subscribe to my channel and join our beautiful community of women who are using these ancient practices to support themselves in this very special phase of their life. And please check out the next video so that you can start your journey together with us.